Hello, good night, colleagues and tutor. My name is Dianys Rivero. I am a student of agroforestry engineer. I am 21 years old. I like in Puerto Boyacá. I like dance. My favorite food is a pizza. Next Christmas, I did not travel. I was in my town with my family. We went to church and the family dinner. A typical dish of the Dianys region. Dripping potato. Dripping potato is a typical accompaniment of the main dishes of the Puerto Boyacá region. Ingredients: 6 medium potato, 4 cups water, a medium wall half chips tail, I 1 tablespoon of salt for the stew, 3 long of white onion, 2 layer red tomato, 3 tablespoon oil, a tablespoon butter, salt, cayenne pepper, color to taste. Preparation: wax. Clean the potato, put water in the pot to boil and the cheese and potato. Generally, insert the knives to see if they are cooked. Wash the onion and potato, cut it into small pieces of the taste. Put the oil in the fried pan, let it fry, incorporating the seasoning and leave for 3 more minutes to serve. In the Dianys region, in the municipality of the Puerto Boyacá, you can find a great variety of typical dishes. On the day, the delicious potato dripping, cordialmente invited. Thank you for your attention.